Hi there and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous granny square. So the tools I'll be using is a 4.0 millimeter crochet hook, a pair of scissors, a yarn needle, and some number 4 medium worsted weight yarn. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, we're going to start with a magic circle. So I'm going to wrap the yarn around my finger twice and then cross over and hold it with my thumb. Lift up on the first two, slide my hook underneath, grab that back piece of yarn, pull it through and twist it, pull it off my finger, and chain 3. This chain 3 does not count. Now I'm going to place 12 double crochet within my magic circle. So yarn over, insert, grab the yarn, pull it through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, insert, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's 2, because this chain 3 does not count. I'm going to go ahead and place 10 more in my magic circle, and I'll meet you back when I'm on my last stitch. Okay, welcome back. We are now ready to place our last double crochet within our magic circle. Okay, and that is a total of 12. So I'm going to pull on this dangling piece to cinch this closed. And I'm going to cut my yarn. And we're going to do an invisible finish. So I'm going to go under the very first stitch we created, not the chain 3, but under the very first stitch. Go under both loops, pull through. And then I'm going to come back and go into the back loop and the one directly underneath it and pull through. And that creates a nice finished stitch. Now I'm just going to tie off and weave in my ends. And there we have 12 double crochet, and that starts the middle portion of our granny square. So moving on, I'm going to tie on this next color and do our cluster stitch. Okay, with your second color, you're going to tie on in any stitch. And chain 3. 1, 2, 3. So now we're going to place our first cluster stitch in the same chain. I'm going to yarn over, insert into the same stitch, grab the yarn and pull up, yarn over and pull through 2. Again, I'm going to yarn over, insert, grab the yarn, pull it through and pull up, yarn over and pull through 2. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Again, we're going to yarn over, insert into the same stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through and pull up, yarn over and pull through 2. Now there's 4 loops on your hook. Last time, we're going to yarn over, insert into the same stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through and pull up, yarn over and pull through 2. You have a total of 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 5 and chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. You've created your first cluster stitch and a chain 3. Okay, moving on to the next stitch. Yarn over, insert, Grab the yarn, pull it through and pull up. Yarn over and pull through 2. There's 2 loops remaining. Same stitch, yarn over, insert, grab the yarn, pull it through and pull up. Yarn over, pull through 2. There's 3 loops remaining. Yarn over, insert into the same stitch. Grab the yarn, pull it through, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2. There's 4 total loops. Last time, yarn over, same stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2. There's 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 5, and chain 3. So we've done 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm not counting that chain 3 that we did when we very first started our magic circle. 9, 10, 11, and 12. So you should have a total of 12 cluster stitches. So go ahead and continue, and I'll meet you back when we're placing our last cluster stitch. Go ahead and pause the video and I'll see you soon. Now we're placing our last cluster stitch. All right, now we're ready to make another invisible finish because we're going to change colors. And I'm just going to go into this very first stitch here, pull through, and then I'm going to go into my last chain, pull through, and then I'm just going to tie off here and weave in. Okay, it's coming along. So now we have done the second layer. Now to move on to our third layer. So you want to tie on in any chain 3 space. So we're going to start right here on our first corner. Okay, once you tie on, you're going to chain 3. This chain 3 counts as your first double crochet. We're going to place 2 more. So to begin, yarn over, insert into the chain 3 space, grab the yarn, pull it through. There's 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. One more time, yarn over, go into the chain 3 space, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So we're going to place 3 more double crochets in this same chain space. Yarn over, insert, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, insert, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. One last time, yarn over, insert, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So there is your first corner of your granny square. Moving on, we're going to place 3 half double crochet in this next chain 3 space. So yarn over, insert into the chain space, grab your yarn, pull it through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. 2 more, yarn over, insert, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through all 3, yarn over, insert, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through all 3. Moving on to the next chain space, you're going to place 3 half double crochets in this chain space. So yarn over, insert, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through all 3. Again, yarn over, insert, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through all 3. One last time, yarn over, insert, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through all 3. So in your corner chain space, you're going to place 3 double crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochet, all within the corner chain space. In the next chain space, you're going to place 3 half double crochet, and in the next chain space, you're going to place 3 half double crochet. So go ahead and repeat that same pattern 2 more times, and we'll come back and we'll finish up the last side together. All right, welcome back. So we are ready for our last corner. So I'm going to place 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to chain 3, and I'm going to place 3 more double crochet in the same chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to place 3 half double crochet in this chain 3 space and 3 half double crochet in this chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3, last chain 3 space, 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to do an invisible finish. So I'm going to cut my yarn, pull this out, and I'm going to go into my very first stitch here, go under both loops, pull through, come back and go under the back loop, and I go under the one right below it, pull through and tie off, weave in the ends. Okay, now it's really starting to come together. Now our last step is to place the border. To do so, you can tie on in any stitch. I just like to start in the middle. Once we've tied on, I'm going to pull the yarn through and chain 1. And I'm going to place 1 single crochet in the very same stitch. So I'm going to insert, grab the yarn, pull it through, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through both, go into the next stitch, insert, go under both loops, grab the yarn, pull it through, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through both, next stitch, insert, go under both loops, grab the yarn, pull it through, 2 loops, yarn over, pull through both. We're going to continue doing 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around until you get to the corner. We're going to place 2 single crochets. So there's 1, 2. I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, and I'm going to place 2 more single crochet in the same chain 3 space here in the corner. 1 single crochet and 1 more. So your corners consist of 2 single crochets, 2 chain stitches, and then 2 more single crochet. And you will do that in each corner, and go ahead and place 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around until you reach each corner, and you'll place 2 single crochet, chain 2, 2 single crochet, and continue on all the way around until you reach your first stitch, and I'll meet you back to finish up. Okay, welcome back. I am just placing my last couple of stitches here. Okay, I'm going to do one last invisible finish. Insert into the very first stitch, pull through, insert into the last stitch in that back loop and the one underneath it, pull through. Just going to tie off here. And weave in. So pretty. If you have any questions, please drop them below in the comments. I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you have an amazing day ahead. Happy crocheting!